What up, everybody? Devin Gowandry here, owner-operator of Pontiac Productions, your premier commercial filmmaker in the Delaware and Philadelphia area. If you're looking for profound filmmaking to showcase your business or your product, Pontiac Productions is the answer. I've spent the majority of my career as a cinematographer, mainly working for the NFL and traveling this country, learning how to truly make dynamic films. In my industry, time is money. Money is time. You need to be efficient and you need to be quick. And I've come across an unbelievable app, an unbelievable program that allows my efficiency and my productivity to really flourish. This app is called SpaceJammit. What SpaceJammit is a cloud-based file sharing program that allows me to easily and conveniently upload large files, video files, audio files, JPEGs, PowerPoint, PDFs into the cloud, and then be able to download them elsewhere at the same file size without losing any quality along the way. SpaceJammit's changed the way that I've been doing business on a day-to-day immensely. I'm now able to conveniently work with my editor, work with my clients with zero hiccup along the way. I can get my full resolution files to my editor through the cloud and to them in a matter of minutes. And that changes things immensely for my day-to-day workflow. The biggest thing that we run into as professional videographers or professionals in this industry is file sharing, and you want that one that is universal. I don't want to have to question what my editor has or what my client doesn't have when I'm trying to get them a final video or trying to get them to work on an edit or get approval for where I'm at. SpaceJammit eliminates all of that because SpaceJammit is universal. SpaceJammit allows me to upload this into my cloud, generate a link, which as long as anybody has access to internet, they can look at whatever I send them. So when I'm working with my clients and I have a question about how a sequence is coming along, I can easily upload this into SpaceJammit. I can generate a URL link, which I then copy, paste into the text message, and send it over. Whether they have SpaceJammit or don't have SpaceJammit, what they do have now is the ability to see what I've been working on, the ability to see where we're sitting in our edit, to see how far along we are and where this is going. And when you're working with a client, you need to make sure that you're keeping their approval in mind at all times. So being able to get them progress along the way is huge. When working with an editor, I want to be able to send them my footage, and I want them to be able to edit it at the highest quality. SpaceJammit, whatever I upload it in, it gets downloaded at the same file size. There's no loss across the way. And as long as you have internet, you're able to do this, whether it's on your phone, whether it's on your desktop, whether it's on your tablet. SpaceJammit is changing my workflow all the time. I had a phone call at an airport, and my client says, "Hey, I've got an opportunity for you with somebody else. They want to talk with you. They want to see your reel. They want to be able to see what you're capable of." And I said, "Well, shoot, dude, I haven't uploaded my most recent video." I said, "Well, give me the information. We'll figure this out." I sit down in the airport and I think, well, shoot, I had uploaded this to SpaceJammit. So guess what? I might not be able to edit my website on my cell phone, but I can edit it on my laptop, connect to the Wi-Fi, go to SpaceJammit, download my video at full quality, get on my website, upload it on, reels updated, and I was able to send that to my client. I was able to get that over to the new client, get them to see what I'm capable of, and rather than sitting on an airplane wondering if I'm going to still have this client when I land, instead, I landed with a response that they were ecstatic to be able to get to talk to me more because of what I had sent them. SpaceJammit's changing the game daily, and it's changing the game because of its ability to be able to connect with its user. It truly wants you to be able to use this on the day-to-day and make it the cornerstone of what you're using to send files in any fashion. And I mean that in the sense of I've been working with them for 9 months. And in those 9 months, I've had the ability to work very closely with SpaceJammit in my workflow. And throughout that, you're going to come up with things that work your way and don't work your way. And they wanted to know what I thought about the way that SpaceJammit was working. And when I gave them my feedback, I gave them my thoughts, instead of them just giving me a thumbs up and saying thanks for your time, I instead get a phone call a few weeks later that says, hey, we've got an update that's coming out. Here's what's entailed in that update. Does this cover what you talked about? Does this fix the issue? Once the update comes out, can you go and replicate what you did so that we can see if we fix the issue? These guys truly want their users to be happy, and you see it through their involvement with the user themselves. And I can't get over the fact that what other company is willing to work with their users in such a compassionate and receptive way? So that alone is a huge selling point to me for why I like using SpaceJammit. SpaceJammit goes beyond your normal file sharing service because it shares everything that you want. You can share PDFs, you can share photos, you can share music, you can share audio files, you can share video files, you can share GoPros, Insta360. Your content creators can use this. Your video streamers can use this. All of this is accessible through SpaceJammit, and it's all made easier with SpaceJammit. Sending files to your editor or to a client is two separate things. I want my editor to get my file at the full resolution, the full 4K, no loss of bit rate or anything when sending. But when I'm sending it to a client, it's a different story. If I'm looking for them to just see where I'm sitting on the project as it sits right now, I just need them to be able to view it. The great thing about SpaceJammit is that I can upload this into SpaceJammit at 1080p, send it to them, and then on their phone, they can get the playback immediately. So being able to have my client wherever they're at, they could be at lunch, they could be on the road, they could be in the back of a taxi, knowing that I can send them this link and they can open it and watch it right there, the playback is immediate. That is different than what I need from my editor. And it's wildly useful to be able to know that I don't only have to send in 1080. I don't only need to have this uploaded in 4K. I can adapt it to what I need to do. SpaceJammit works for everybody. It doesn't need to have account holders on both sides of the process. I have SpaceJammit and I can work with my client who doesn't have SpaceJammit, and it doesn't hold us up in the slightest. SpaceJammit's usability is universal. As long as you have internet access and you can receive a text message or an email or a message on Facebook or Instagram, all of that will allow you to receive something from somebody who has SpaceJammit and be able to have no loss of quality, even without having an account. So when I'm working with clients who never are going to have the same file sharing service as me, it doesn't matter because I have SpaceJammit and I can send it over. Same thing with the editor. I don't need to have the same compatible service as them. All I need to do is make sure they have internet. And everybody has internet now. Everybody. SpaceJammit doesn't just stop at the professional world. It doesn't just need to be a professionally used application. In fact, I think that in the everyday use, it's just as useful. SpaceJammit is able to send photos, get videos off of your cell phone, be able to work with people who are non-tech, like my parents, who I want to send photos of my newborn son. And rather than sending them an individual photo, one after another, instead, I'm able to put all these photos up into the Galaxy, which is our folder, and then send them the link to where when they press on the link, they get in there and they can see what I'm uploading as I'm uploading it. So they can say, okay, well, he had, let's check this week and see what photos he's added of his son this week. Even outside of thinking about working with your parents and trying to have the non-technical, you go into a business. How many times you're dealing with a open email chain that somebody's sending attachments on something that they're adjusting, and they are putting one attachment after another, and it is bogging your email down. It's making you frustrated as you're needing to scroll through this and clean it up. SpaceJammit allows you to have this open workflow where all you need to do is supply everybody with the link. And as you're changing things, as you're making adjustments, it's happening in real time as long as you're re-uploading it into SpaceJammit. So rather than dealing with attachments on emails, I can then just have one URL link, that can be sent throughout the business to everybody that's working on the project, and everybody can get their hands on it and adjust it as they need to, making efficiency much better. So the reality is that whether or not you're just in the business world or you're in the professional video world like me, whether you're a content creator, a video streamer, a producer, a director, a cinematographer, a musician, a photographer, an event planner, everybody has advantage in using SpaceJammit. I think that the ability to work across all devices, whether they are on an Apple computer, an Apple phone, whether they're using Microsoft or they're using Android, it's all universal as long as you can get on the internet. And if you can download an app, it's on everything. It's on the Play Store. It's on the App Store. It's on SpaceJammit.com. So I can't suggest enough for you to get this on your phone and put it in your pocket, because I think the great thing about SpaceJammit is that the innovation that's going to come from it is going to come from us. The more that we use it, the more that I use it, the more that I thought I was going to use it, I'm realizing that I'm finding different ways to go about it. What I thought it was is growing on a day-to-day basis. I've been using it for 9 months, and every week I'm coming up with something else that I run into a hurdle, and I'm able to use SpaceJammit to get myself out of it. So putting it in your pocket and you using it and being able to talk to the creators and help innovate, you're going to be able to change this thing and really adapt this to your needs. It's not just a singular need, it's your needs. So I think getting it in your pocket, giving it a try is it's a must. So go over to SpaceJammit.com, get on the App Store, get on the Play Store, and download it. Give it a try. See how it changes your workflow. See how it changes your life. And I couldn't suggest it more.